A lot of my students have been asking me for help with the vocabulary questions on the 2025 digital SAT. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example here and discuss some strategies that don't involve memorizing every single word ever written in the English language. So let's look at this example here. Go ahead and pause it and read this paragraph. All right, so in this paragraph, context is important. We have a problem at the beginning and we have a solution at the end. So in order to help this situation is what most people would say when people were asked to fill in the blank themselves. So we're looking for a word here that means to help or to remedy. Basically, we're looking for something positive, not negative. And a lot of these words are going to be somewhat known. Some might be completely unknown. There's never going to be just a blatantly correct answer in the options here. The SAT will not make it that easy for you, but process elimination is extremely important here. So some of these words you've probably heard once or twice. You've probably heard of government sanctions, putting sanctions on something. It usually means some sort of restriction. So it would not fit in that blank. So we can go ahead and get rid of A. Ameliorate, most people have absolutely no idea, and that's fine. We can put a question mark and move on. Rationalize. Rationalize can sometimes be positive. In this case, it doesn't really mean to help. That's what we picked when we were thinking about a word that we would choose. So we can put a X through that one. And postulate, a lot of people have heard this in math. It usually means a guess. So to postulate the situation doesn't really make sense, and therefore we can go ahead and get rid of that D answer choice. So we're left with only one option here, and it's one that we don't know for the most part. And that's completely okay because we've used process elimination to accurately say no to all of these other choices. Ameliorate means to help or to remedy, which is exactly what we want in this blank. So we end up with the answer choice B.